One of the tests I'd like to introduce is a inflammation panel, and we created around medical doctors who wanted this information looked at energetically, and I'll explain some tie-ins that we have found with blood chemistry and lab work. To create this, we go in and we're going to add a new test name, and obviously we're going to call it inflammation panel. And then we're going to scroll through our master list until we've identified it, check marked it, and we're going to add or copy the information under this name. And you'll see there's a lot of information. We're looking at the main 7 allergies. We're looking at genotypic and phenotypic markers. And one thing that they have came into find on this study and some of the research is that when the homocysteine comes up, they've sent them off to do blood work, and indeed there's a cardiovascular circulatory issue. So it is correlating to Western medicine fairly highly, and it's a unique test. To set this up fully, you want all of these set at 1 by 1, and if you go into any of these categories and you're familiar with most of them, but perhaps some of them you're not familiar with, you could just check mark them and remove them from the test if you wanted to. So again, when you run this test, we want everything set up as 1 by 1, and the information that comes up, you can either look at medical dictionaries or online to see how it relates to the patients, or become familiar with some of the lab work and the books that they use to review it. And this is the inflammation panel, and should be of great value to any patient that's showing inflammation issues.